Now, under the present Collegium system, the Chief Justice of India, along with 4 senior most Supreme Court judges, recommends the appointment and transfers of judges, as you know. And in High Court Collegium, there is it's led by the incumbent Chief Justice, and there are 2 senior most judges who are part of the Collegium. Now, the Collegium system is, Shreya, very important to note for your audience. The Collegium system is not entrenched in the Constitution. The Constitution does not provide for this Collegium system. Rather, it has evolved through the judgments of the Supreme Court. In this structure, the government's role is minimal, is very restricted in this Collegium system. The government's role is purely getting an inquiry conducted by the Intelligence Bureau, IB, if a lawyer is to be elevated as a judge or in the High Court or Supreme Court. And the government can also bring up some concerns, seeking explanations regarding Collegium's choices. But if Collegium reiterates the same names and sends it back to the government, then under the Constitution bench judgments, the government is bound to appoint those names or those choices. So government has no role to play, or I would say very minimal role to play. Now, there is a school of thought, Shreya, which believes that this collegium mechanism lacks transparency, as it is not formally official process, or there is no secretariat. It is a closed door, secretive affair with no background material available regarding how decisions are made. Some reforms may be required, where the Supreme Court Collegium could continue, but with little more transparency, and perhaps have more closer coordination with the Prime Minister, Law Minister, and leader of the opposition. So consensus will bring about better candidates and lesser bottlenecks in appointment.